Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fill in the fingerings on this fill-in-the-blank fingering chart for the clarinet. This is Unit A, and if you have this as a digital assignment, you'll do exactly what I am showing you, but if you have it for pencil and paper, then you're going to be writing in the note names and then coloring in the shapes for the fingerings. So I'm going to show you how this works. So in the box and on the paper there will be just a line. You're going to put the letter name of the note that you're dealing with. So our first note is a C. So I'm going to put a capital C here. And then I want to show you what all of these shapes mean for the clarinet. So we're going to start with this first circle on this side. That circle represents the thumb hole right here. And if you press that thumb hole, then you would color in that shape. If not, then you just leave it blank. The teardrop above it represents the register key, and for this particular worksheet you will not use the register key at all. Next, on the front, the top teardrop represents this toggle key right here. Sorry about that. So we were talking about this toggle key up here that's represented by the teardrop shape on this side of the fingering chart, and you will not use this at all on this worksheet either. Now these three circles represent the three holes on the front of the top joint. So 1, 2, 3. So again, if you are pressing those keys and covering those holes, you'll color them in, otherwise leave them blank. Now, these funky shapes right here represent the pinky keys. We won't use these at all on this worksheet, so don't worry about those. This line separates the top joint from the bottom joint. So these three circles represent the three holes on the bottom joint, 1, 2, 3, and again, if you are pressing those, you color them in. For this particular worksheet, you do not color them in at all. And these four ovals that are all together represent these pinky keys down here. You will not be using those at all. So, to play a C, we would color in the thumb, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go ahead and color that in. There's the thumb, 1, 2, sorry, I missed the 2. There's 2, and I'd already gotten the 3. The cool thing about the clarinet is as you go up in order, you just lift one finger. So the next note after C, this is a D, so I'm going to put a capital D. And then again, I'm going to color in the thumb, 1 and 2. So that is my D. The next one, you're going to fill in the letter name. That's an E. And we just lift one more finger. So I keep the thumb and I keep the first finger, and that's all I have. Our next note for number 4, that's an F, and it's just the thumb by itself. Finally, number 5, second line, this is a G. And G, don't color in anything because you don't press any of the keys or the holes. So that is how you would start this fill-in-the-blank fingering chart for the clarinet. Everything else on this worksheet is all the same information, just in a different order. So just make sure you use this as your key and then plug in the information down here. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.